This little envelope clutch has been the perfect vacation handbag. So I use this on a cruise, and I really love that it had this wrist strap along with the longer strap that I have set to be worn crossbody. It also has these little pom-poms, which are really fun, hanging off the side, and it's nice and neutral, so it went basically with every single outfit that I wore. It has just a magnetic closure, so that way it's easy to open and it stays shut when you need it to be shut. And then on the inside, it's nice because it has a pocket where I was putting receipts and had lip gloss and things like that back there, and then just one really deep pocket that actually held a lot. So I would put my sunglasses in here, some lip gloss, my camera bag, and also my phone, and it would hold all of this down inside really easily with a little bit of room to spare. So this has been great to use on the cruise ship. It's also a really great kind of beach handbag as well, if you're needing to bring some sort of crossbody bag with you on a kind of beachy vacation, because this pattern is really, really nice and it is great for a vacation. So hopefully this has been helpful seeing what fits inside, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.